Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M22 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here at the second place we have the grid lines option. So by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on, and when we go back to the camera we can see now these lines in the preview. So they are useful when we want to, for example, use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real picture, so they are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to go back to the left corner settings, slide down again to the useful features, tap to the grid lines button, and for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.